404185. This is the subject code is given by the structure of university. This is the structure. 30 marks is the subject and the 70 marks is the theory. Total 100 marks you have to give one. Here the course objective to understand the stages of system, hardware and the software design and the development, to learn the different consideration of analog and digital mixed circuit design, to be acquainted with the methods of PCB. In a software of the tools, you can use analog, digital and the mixed circuit design. You use for the required tool. Tool is the Proteus software and the another tool is the Eagle software. To understand the importance of the testing in a product design, to understand the importance of the testing design or the product design cycle is the process, and the importance of the documentation is covered in a course objective. This is the course outcome. After the syllabus is completing, means the course outcomes is naming of the course structure of electronics product design. This is the completing of the course. Then the student will able to understand the various stages of hardware. There are 6 stages of the hardware, like product design stages. After a software and the PCB design, means completing of the course, the student will understand and the remembering for the number of stages, hardware as well as software, and how to design the PCB circuits or the PCB design and the development of the circuit. Next, analyze the reliability of the product design. Analyze, you will understand the reliability of the product design and the design and the testing various electronics products or the modules to be suggest on the system. Suggest the special design and the consideration, to be suggest the special design and consideration or understand need of the documentation. What is the need of documentation? Documentation is very important or to the require of the faculty, required of the understand or the need of documentation is most important part of the report or the thesis analysis to be design of the product. Here syllabus you have to give one electronic product design. There are 6 lectures as given. The man machine dialogue, industrial design, user center design, user center design, 5 elements of successful design, cognition, ergonomics, packaging and the factors, design for manufacture, assembly and the disassembly, wiring temperature, vibration and the shock. These number of elements you will learn the first unit electronic product design. Also you will learn safety, noise, energy coupling, grounding, filtering and the shielding. In this unit, the most important part of the stages of the hardware and the software design, packaging and the factors to manufacturing, assembly and the disassembly, wiring, what is used for the wiring, safety requirement, temperature, vibration, shock. These are the most important part you have to learn in this unit. This is the unit wise syllabus. For the lecture wise, first lecture you introduce the Man-machine dialogue, industrial design, and the system design. This is the system design. What is the system design? It is the process or defining the architecture modules, interface, and the data for a system to satisfy specified requirement. Satisfy or the specified requirement, it requires in a system design the process of architecture. Draw the block diagram first. After the modules you have to complete in a architecture, you vary the interface of the system, and collecting the information or the selection criteria of that component is requirement of the system design. If the system design could be application of the system's theory to product development. If the system design could be application of the system or the theory of the product development, it is an application to be implemented or the design of the product is most important part of the system. And the last part, there is some overlap with the discipline of the system. Analysis of the system and the architecture system, it will be used as the engineering. In a system design, if the border topic, what is the border? Topic of the product development. There are the number of the products available in a market. That product you have to use a launching of a marketing or design and the manufacturing to approach. This is the project of the system design. In the last lecture, this is also completed. What is the system design? The input you have to get in a product, and after a processing will completing the data, you have to get the launching of the product. This is the system design. You have to work out integration of the integration, inputs and the fields. Field work, this is also input. Imports means the important part of that imports means the you have to get the input of particular codes to be designed of a input. Integration you have to use for the number of inputs to be get the system design, and then get the output will be required of the product. In this slide, we will learn about the product design. What is the product? Product is a verb to create a new product to be sold by the business and to its customers. Business to its customers. The product design, it is the one type of the word, and is verb you have to use or create a new product to be satisfied very board coefficients and the effective generation. In effective generation and the development of the ideas through the process that leads to new product. What is the meaning of the new product? The very board coefficient. Board coefficient means the number of coefficients of the products, and the effective generation you have to use development ideas, new ideas you have to develop a product. Get the example of the product is the food, product of electronics applications, product of new mobile phones, new smartphones. This is the specification you have to get the new product development. Ideas is most important. That is the product you have to get the brief of the topic sufficiently to discrete and interdependent definitions are needed. Interdependence means that product is not dependent to another same similar product, that the product is similar. Food product, get the example of the food product, same similar products, but the marketing of that product is most important. How to market on that product, that the output will be get there. This is the example of the pen. This ball pen is the number of ball pens available in a market, but which ball pen you have to choose? physical chemical form, intensive properties, geometrical form, intensive properties. Intensive and the extensive, this is the two properties you have to use. Is the first priority for the customer or the supplier, or the you have to take inputs of the intensive or the extensive customers. That customer you have to use a functions. What is the function? You have to use that ball pen is the part of the system to get the needs and the definites the values to be define the products. Here the product design process, the set of the strategic and the tactical ideas of the generation, or the second, evaluate of the ideas to the tangible inventions and the products. Also, it's communicate to or the facilities by the digital tools that now allows to designs to do things for communicate, visualize, analyze, 3D modeling, and the actual produce tangible ideas, and in way that would have taken greater manpower in the past. Greater manpower, what is the meaning of manpower? The manpower is required for the system designing, because the today's tangible idea you have to use for the 3D modeling or the communicate to the supplier with industries, or the customer with industries, you have to use for the digital tools, and that allows to design to be things, number of things, or the object, which object you have to include, communicate, visualize, analyze, 3D modeling, actually produce the tangible idea. That is the product designing is most important, or the strategical and the tactical activities include in this slide. In the next slide, this is the problem. What is the problem? You can solve the problem. Which problem? This is person. First is the problem, means the objective of the project. Then second one, analysis. What is the analysis? You learn, or the review, literature review. You go through that review of that product. I in a last slide I talking about the analysis. What is the analysis in the product? Similar product in a food product is the maximum location or the cities. You have to same similar product, but that product you have to launch in your market, and the maximum customer attraction of that product for similar, that is the idea is most important, and the plan is most important. First stage, first is the plan, after first is the idea, then you get the solving of that plan, then the problem you have to solving is the objective. What is the objective? Your objective is find, then create a plan, and that plan to execute the ideas, then you have to realize that the system methodologies, you analyze the final result, and after that the completion of that product or your project, you will get the successful, get the launching in a market. Here industrial design to solving the problem solving is most important example, or the most important part of the product design. This is slide you have to get the agronomics and the engineering design to the product goods. This is the problem solving, you solve or the identify. Problem solving, thereby 5 stages you have to solve the problem. First, identify your problem, means the problem statement, or the problem statement or problem objective. You can identify your ideas. After you define your project is the course outcomes. You have to define that your problem. Then explore, you have to explore the knowledge or the review literature review of that problems, get the maximum reviews. You or review or the survey, that means review is the survey, you get the survey of that problem statement. And then the action, which methodology, which algorithm you have to use in a action form. After that, look a back analysis, this is the back to go analysis of your methodology. You have to which work you have to complete on the project based learning or the problem solving based learning. Then get the identify your lookup back, means the conclusion you have to find out here. Get the successfully launch their product in a market. Here there are 6 stages in a product design: idea generation, screening ideas, feasibility of the study, preliminary design, pilot runs, and the testing methodology, which methodology you have to use for the simulation, as the development tools you have to implementing a testing of that product. And after that, last stage, new product launch. Here the process you have to get the idea generation. In idea generation, this is the first stage, and that first stage there are number of inputs. Which inputs of the competitors, inputs of the marketing, inputs of the suppliers, input of the research and development committee, and inputs of the customer. These all are the inputs to idea generation. Then get a next screening idea. What is the screening? Means that number of ideas you have to, number of inputs given to the idea generation, and you will suggest or the finalize any one idea or any one business or the product, and that product or the service concept get the screening of your ideas. After that, the feasibility of idea, you learn or the review and the survey of that product. In a market survey, get the example of the Pune or the Mumbai. This is two separate cities. In a Pune, you have to feasibility of that product. Product is food or the product of electronics, product of the bicycles, and that same product you have to launching in a Mumbai city. But what is the difference is the customer satisfaction is most important. Customers or the peoples, you have to get the knowledge of that product. You have to launch your product or a marketing, scale marketing. This is the, you have to selling of that your product to which methodology or which concept. You have to get the screening ideas or the feasibility, number of peoples, attracting of the product, then the specification, how to knowledge or the how to inputs you have to give on your products. That product you have to get the maximum cities, you have to launching the maximum cities for the performance specifications. The next step, from the design, functional design or the product design. In a functional design, to deliver a product or deliver of the functions, get the example of pizza, or in a Domino's pizza or Mozio pizza or the another. Same way you have to use same products. That number of the products available in a market, but which is good or which is medium or which is large. There are 3 stages. The customers number of customers attracting to the Domino's Pizza. 50% customers or the 50% people attracting to the Mozio Pizza, and the 10 or 5% people attracting to the other products. This is the product is the same, but the people, you have to get the outputs, which is good or which is bad, which is medium, which is largest good. Then get the product, you have to launch a market, and after a product is launched in market, the customer satisfaction is most important. Stages of the product design. This is the explanation given in idea generation. What is the idea new product, or the variety of the sources available in internet. Sources include employees, research and development, market research, sales, or the reverse engineering. This is number of the ideas you have to give an input in a maximum resources. Then screening idea, your ideas do not appear to high potential and it's avoid to the cost in cured or the subsequent stages. Which stages? The stages of the group of the people. Proposal you have to sending will be supported by the graphics, model and the outline specification. Judge against a set of the criteria such as the necessity to the films of survival role or filling out the existing product to the market, and that is the capabilities of the product you have to accessing market level is high, then the product you have to launch or maximum profit will be get to the company. Feasibility study, initialize screening of the basis ideas or the design to stop the ideas, market analysis or the economic analysis, and the technical strategies of the analysis. This number of ideas to the pre-primary or the primary, it involves to the functions of the stages. Pilot and the run testing. This is the stages of finalizing design and continuously testing the product, or the performance of the market testing is also carried out the or check the accessibility of the product in define the market and the customer group. This is most important. The example of the pilot runs or the testing. This girl you have to going from the airplanes. This also there are number of three or more peoples. More people, there are four peoples going from the different locations. But the runs or the testing. First, you have to get the runs of the here airplane rental ranges. This is the ranges of per hour and instructor hourly fees, supplier and the testing fee. This is different location you have to pilot license available on that customer, and you have to get the knowledge of the testing. Then next, new product launch. Launching a new product or services to involves a ramp up production. What is the ramp up? You have to get a graphical representation or the in year of 2017 this product of the Samsung mobile or the product of the iPhone mobile. This is two product comparison with the mobile phones. One is the Samsung phone is the graphical representation of the 5 years, and the iPhone is also graphical representation of the 5 years. This the product after the launching in the year of 2019 to the year of 2020. This is the last 11th years or the 12 years. What is the product you have to get profit in that market? This is the new product you have to launch in coming up the bikes in India or the Samsung Galaxy. This is the smartphones, and this number of the vehicles is vehicles you have to get the product in the launch in a market. And what is the profit of that vehicles? Get the maximum profit of Maruti Suzuki, maximum profit of the Hyundai, maximum profit profits of the Tata Motors. There are three high level products in a marketing, but the which is good or which is medium or which is low level, the customers you have to get the satisfaction of that specification of the product, then get a product is level of top level. This is the link you have to given a stages of product. Next topic, market survey. A market survey is the research survey and the analysis of the market or the product service, which includes the investigation into customer inclination or investigation. These two different words used in a market because the product based design and service based design, these two importance analysis you have to get the maximum knowledge of the survey. Product based means the product you have to launching of the country or the city, and the service based service you have to provide. Service means maintenance. If the your smartphones or your laptops, also here you can use for the any electronic products like a refrigerator, washing machine, TV. This is the service every year or every few years you have to get the maintenance. Also you have to use for the vehicles, there are 3 months is a maintenance or the service of that product. This is the product or the market survey. Tools to directly collect the feedback form means there are, get the example of the vehicle, which vehicle or the bikes after 1 to 2 years get the maintenance level, and the audience or the people you have to get a feedback for that showroom is very good for maintenance or the service. That showroom means the Hyundai showroom is very good as compared to the Suzuki, or the Suzuki as compared to the Tata Motors, or the any electronics products or the food products. The in a food product, the customer satisfaction in a test is very good, then the product you have to set the expectations and the requirements of the customer. Develop a new and exciting strategies for the upcoming products or the services, but there can be no insurance about the success of these strategies. This is the level of the services or dependent feedback is most important of the survey. The last year 2008 or 2009, in a 2009, that vehicle is very good or that product is very good, but after 5 years or the 10 year, this is more maintenance you have to pay in that bike or the any products, then the market level is decrease of that is the survey or the feedback you have to received in a marketing or the share level. This is the requirement. First one, planning and the requirement. Here the initial level. In a initial planning, the planning is most important for the designing. After a requirement means the component selections of the requirements, selections of the tools, selections of the inputs to given the requirements. After that, analysis, design and the implementation, which methodology and the algorithm you have to use, that is the market strategy, that the development and the testing. Your input is very good, you go to directly development, but the some error you have to get the testing and the verification is most important. And last one, the year evolution will get the evolution or compare to the similar product but the company another companies to comparing both the inputs as well as outputs. This is the price level. Get the same product in a smartphone Samsung A7 or the Samsung A9. For the Amazon, that is the price is 20,000 or the 25,000. But you go through the Flipkart or another app or the another market online shopping, that is the minimum price is the 15,000 or the 18,000. Then the maximum people we have to get the same specification, same design, but the pricing is different for the uh, Amazon, Flipkart and the another online shoppings. That is the different way, but the similar product is similar but the pricing level is different. This is the customer satisfaction and the analysis. You have to get the knowledge of market survey. Purpose of market is the gain critical customer feedback. The main purpose of the market survey is to offer a marketing and the business manager to perform and obtain critical information about the customers so that existing customers can be retained and new ones can be got on board. This is the critical customer level feedback. The maximum people you have to get a complaint for um, example of your you you will call the customer of Vodafone or Airtel Idea which SIM is available with your smartphones. The people's satisfaction or the customer's level, you have to get the same inputs for that person. The upcoming features of the product, this is the purpose of the market. Upcoming features is very broad and the products is similar for the last 5 to 7 years, but the maximum features added for that. This is the sound of Sony, sound of Philips, speaker of Sony, speaker of Philips, speakers of JBL. This is the competition of the same products but the different competitors available in a market. Here the decision level, enhance existing product services and make well informed business decision to get the knowledge of the purpose of things. Here the importance of market survey to understand demand, maximum demand for the food, then electronic products and the supply chain to get a market. What is the observation of that product? Developing well through the marketing plan. First plan is most important. You have to design a you have to opening the hotels or you have to opening another tea stall. Also maximum business or the products available in a market, but your segmentation or the market survey is most important to get the plans according to that way. Here the importance. Third point, figure out the customer expectations. What is the need of customer? Customer satisfaction tools, net promoter score, efforts, customer satisfaction, CST. This is most important. Customer satisfactions means the expectations of the customer and the needs of the customers. Accurate the launch of new products. There are markets in upcoming products similar way for the market survey. This is the importance way. And last point, information about the customer demographics. If the available in a online to the design, fabrication, intrinsic sensitive details, customer demographics. This is the rules and the regulation architecture of demographics. First, design is brief. Field study is also brief. Ideation, fabrication and the reflection. This is the flow. You will get the maximum idea of the market and the importance of the market. The information collected can be used to study various aspects of the market. The right time to launch the product. Right time means the time of the Ganesha festival. Also time you have to use for the 15th August. This is most important for the right time launch your product in a market. Also third example in a Deepavali. This is the also lot of sale in a market. For the first one 15th August, second one the Diwali or the Dashera, and third one the your right time or the choice collected information or study various products or the product design to launching a market. This is the same example market segmentation, market survey of the various aspects of the market survey and the purchase procedure. Procedure means collect a form, purchase a form, fill the form, then get the knowledge of online knowledge or the searching of the different thing. You go through the field, and that field you have to get a trial of that, repeating of things. This is the awareness of the work. Third one, establish buyer persona. Market survey measure customers loyalty. Customer survey to analyze a new feature and the concept. Market survey of the competitors analysis. These all are the examples or the types of the market survey. You get the maximum knowledge will get for the electronics product design. This is the design. First you define the problem. After that the collecting information means like a review or the survey of that product. Then brainstorm or the analysis your ideas. Develop means methodology or brainstorm. Objective, you will find out your objective of that product. Develop a solutions, build a knowledge, will be get that models. Then collecting the feedback. Who is give the feedback? Feedback of the customers, feedback of the employers, feedback of the students. Get the maximum feedbacks we get the collect and improve your suggestions for that designing process. Here the given the specification. This is the voltage you have to get the rated of the TC8278. Product specification of electrical, product specifications of the mechanical, and thus product specification of the environmental. This is the most important part. You have to design of the power voltage, maximum voltage, minimum voltage is the rating. Also you have to given here the digital memory, how much memory you have to store in data of 16 bit, 14 bit or the 18 bit, 32 bits. This is the memory you have to store the data in your smartphones. Get the example of smartphone is the electronic products. Then next one you have to solve the mechanical specifications. In that specification you need of the difference between a constructor, finish, dimension or the area or the weight. In any mechanical company or the R&D development research, you have to get the any steel of the product or the example stainless steel, or in your kitchen regularly used for the shagdi. That is still shagdi you have to use, which dimension you have to use, which is length is with length and width, how much weight you have to that is the product specification you can use regular. Construction, finish, dimension and weight. Then third specification, environmental related to the temperature, related to the humidity, related to the vibration or the shock. This is the most important. You have to get operating greater than 40 degree pulse or storage you have to use for the greater than plus 60 percentage. Humidity typically 10% to 90%. This is the non-consider condensing, but the greater than 90%, that the maximum humidity for the winter. Then the vibration or the shock, this is electrical wires or the electrical sockets or any uh, environmental specifications. Then R&D and the engineering prototypes will continue for